friends, today we are going to test one of the strongest textile handcuffs in the world, using in riots, and I will try to get out of them. And with me, one of the strongest guy in the world, René Golem Richter. So, let's get started. Main advantages consist in low weight, easy storage, and minimal tearing strength of handcuffs is 140 kilograms. They are supplied in a set of 5 pieces, and they come with multi-purpose cutter for their removal, and they are used by the police units all over the world. Our strong guy invited us to see his show, and right after we are going to try if he can escape from the handcuffs, and also he will attempt new extreme world record. When Priest had his speech, I drank few beers and I got into the trouble. These handcuffs can be used on any event, and if you end up with them, you have serious problems, because they are using unique locking system, which ensures that even physically very strong person cannot get out of them. First challenge for René is pulling 4-ton fire truck with just a rope and his strong bite. No problem for him. And if you didn't know, René has several records in Guinness Book, and he was also featured in Stanley Superhuman. They found out that he has stronger bite than alligator, which is really insane. He can bend big iron bar. I tried myself, but there is no way. He can easily lift guys like that up to 150 kilograms. Or holding 70 kilograms in a mouth while his assistant smashing a concrete block. And meanwhile, somebody started a fire, so let's arrest few suspects. First we got this innocent looking girl. Let's see if she will make her way out of these handcuffs. She tried to figure it out some trick, but that did not help her. So now she will have to go with us. Our next victim is assistant of René, so let's see how he will fight with the handcuffs. He gave up pretty quick, so let's free him and let's find someone else. Moderator of this event seems like a strong guy. Let's try it on him. let him struggle for a few more minutes, but since he had some job to do, we released him. We found this big firefighter, so let's tie him up. He was trying his best, but it was still not enough. But one guy from police unit tried even more. Yeah, you heard right. So let's hope that will nothing happen to Rene, and let's continue in his show. After he popped few cans, this lady want to find out how is to be human roller coaster. What a great ride! But now he is doing one of his most difficult stunts. Rene is trying to stop running drilling machine with just his strong bite. He's usually doing this stunt for just a few seconds, but this drill machine was really good quality, so it took him forever. But Rene is a big fighter and he don't like to give up. So of course he made his challenge, but now you're gonna witness his new world record. Goal of this record is to bite 12 cans in half, and all of that must be done under 1 minute. He made it in just 31 seconds, and that's really incredible. But now, I'm sure you all wondering if he can escape from the Riot handcuffs. So, let's try that. Even for Rene, seems this task impossible. But he told us if we put handcuffs in front of him, he think that he can get out of them. But he quickly realized that even with this method, it will be still extremely difficult. You can see how his hands are damaged from the handcuffs. But after a few more minutes, he was able to free one of his hands. So now, the second one. Yes, he managed to free himself. But I want to remind that if you will have handcuffs on you, you are probably under police supervision. So there is nearly no way how to escape. So keep that in mind.
Whoa!
And yeah, he just ripped them in half. So big thanks to Eurosecurity Products for sending these. It was a lot of fun to try them. And that's it for today, guys. So what do you think about these handcuffs? Pretty cool, right? Let me know in the comments. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.